What's up, people? What's up, yo? How you guys doing? And welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to record music covers on Bandlab. So sit tight, grab something to snack on, and let's get right into the video. So before we dive into the video, I want to make a quick introduction, which is hello if you're new here. My name is Beamer, and I make YouTube videos, so feel free to subscribe if you like content like this, and I'll keep them rolling. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and already getting excited about it, and also leave a comment down below if you have any question on the based on the videos or anything I said. So with all that being said, let's get right into the video. So don't get me wrong, this is just an assumption, but those of you who don't know what Bandlab is, I know you click through this video because you know what Bandlab is, but for those of you who don't know what Bandlab is, I'm not going to try to explain it in this video. Instead, I'm going to leave a link down below that will lead you to this video, which I did about how to use Bandlab. So I went in details in that video, so if you want it, click the first link down in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. I explained it in more detail. So if you like that, if you need that video, just go to the description box below and click the first link. First, you open Bandlab and click on Import Track to import your instrumentals for your cover. Next, you search for the track and click on it to import. Wait patiently while the track imports. After Bandlab finished importing the track, we need to add the lyrics. So the next thing to do is click on the plus sign at the left hand side and click on voice/mic to add your lyrics. After recording your lyrics, we need to add some effects to make it sound good. So click on the FX button down below and then choose the kind of effects you want. You can adjust the way they sound by clicking on the white edit button at the top of each effects. You can also add more effects just by clicking at the plus sign at the top, just to make it sound better. After you're done adding effects to the sound, listen to it again to see if it's good or you need to make some changes. Click the arrow button at the top right to save your track. Type in the name and hit save. Click on View to view your song. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed and found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on that bell notification to get updated on when next my videos come up. Please give it a thumbs up to make this video go viral and make YouTube recommend it for other people to watch like you did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.